What you know? This how we do it in Cashville, you know what I'm talking about? I might crash. Give a fuck, I might blast his ass. Chill. We gon' tell him how we do it in this thing called street, nigga. Yeah.
What's up?
Ain't no competition. These niggas knocking on my door, that's what I be wishing. Cause if they do, they gon' get ignored. I pull the Glock and let it explore. They membrane if they try to play around. This bullshit's not a game, I'ma tell them lanes. They wanna step up to me, I pull the Glock up to the motherfucking face and blow them niggas' knees. They don't want the drama, they definitely want the beef. And if they want it, I'ma cook it up and serve it these. Now the beat just skipped. I don't give a fuck, it's a freestyle session, nigga. Don't give me crunk, I'ma knock a nigga out. That nigga, he gon' get jumped trying to play around with me. Nigga found up in the trunk, no, he don't want drama. That nigga don't want me, he don't want nothing. He definitely meet me in the street, come meet me. I got that 380, gon' hit him in his head. I'm freestyling while I'm driving, nigga, you might just be dead. Yeah, it ain't no thing, let this truck pass, I'll do my thing. And spit another verse, these niggas just really can't hang. And I'ma do my thing, nigga, RAC gang, Raymond Avenue, Crip, niggas, that's just how we bang. You know I got my nigga Jamie here, he kicking it, doing this shit so explicit, and yes, this shit is wicked. I give a fuck about them niggas, and give a fuck if they wanna come through my house and grind me, I'ma get them first. Yeah, I'm pretty excited in this beat, I'm knocking niggas out, I'm tearing up out their knees, they don't want none of me. I'm fucking up, who give a fuck, cause I'ma rap. These motherfuckers ain't nothing but them niggas is really chumps. Yeah, the beat fucked up, who give a fuck again? Give a fuck, nigga, cut that shit.
We going down the street, man.
Yeah.
Y'all know how we do.
Screaming. My niggas know about that nothing. Cause I do my shit wicked. East wicked material, keep that shit kicking. KVE Productions in this thing. They wanna try to play around, but they can't really bang. What that thing? Out your pocket. I don't really give a fuck, floss it. I might drop you. Cause niggas acting silly. Trying to come around, then they gon' get killed quick. Cause I keep on going. They wanna know about this nigga, I'ma just flow on them bitches. Fuck that shit. Damn. I don't really give a fuck. Fuck back, come right back on it quick. That kinda sounded fucked up too. I give a fuck. Fuck you, nigga.
Right? Fuck it.
Who else you know freestyling, battle, and rap while driving? Doing they thing wild, nigga. It's KVE Productions, nigga. Westside Raymond, my shit's skipping. Give a fuck, y'all niggas tripping. Try to come around my way, you might get split in half, bitch.
Bitch nigga.
Swerve left, swerve right, swerve left. Got to swerve, watch the car. Oh.
Right.
Yeah. They don't want none, niggas. KVE Productions. We do it. Wow. Wow. We drive.
That's crib. That's crib.
Huh?